vlog. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Dagupan at samahan niyo ako pumunta sa Bayambang.
So after a few minutes, nandito na tayo sa Calasiao where you can taste the best puto in the Philippines.
No, I get so forgetful when I look in your eyes. Now she's walking backwards through a parade, and I'm stuck in the shadows, blocking the shade. There ain't no way to sweep up the mess that we made. She gets dressed up like a pillow, so she's all
Ayan, welcome again to Bayambang.
flowers for the sick and dead. She's on the
And then sumakay ng tricycle going to Barangay Cagrosite. So this place is very close to my heart because this is where I grew up.
So, for today's vlog, ang ating errands ay dapat matikman natin yung mga masarap na pagkain dito.
There's nothing to keep you from falling in love.
As you can see, super happy ko habang nag-vlog kasi after a few months, ngayon lang ulit nakaalis. Dahil super busy sa school.
Like pieces of a puzzle, like a hand in a glove. She gets dressed up like a pillow, so she's all
Charan! Welcome to Alimar's Alfresco Restaurant. Nagbenta sila ng different food like bulalo, and then available din yung tusok-tusok na maa-avail nyo siya dyan lang sa pesto nila. Super sarap ng bulalo. Oh my God, must try.
Hi guys! Paano pa kami mag-vlog ng ibang food? Na kami. Guys, alis na kami. Pupunta kami saan? Saan tayo pupunta ulit?
No, I get
then may nakita kaming fruit vendor. Siyempre, bumili ako para isupport ang ating local farmers.
Black in the shade. There ain't no way to sweep up the mess that we made. She gets dressed up like a pillow, so she's always